Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in blue jeans metallic. The interior is a little different with gray leather, and it has seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has a trailer tow package, which includes a trailer tow hitch as well as a 4 and 7 pin connector. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have memory for 3 drivers, power folding windows, and you have this wood grain inlay. As well, you have the light gray leather seats, and they are powered with lumbar. Electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, and there's a grab handle making it easier to get in. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so the key's in my pocket, foot's on the brake, and we're going to push the engine start button. On the dash, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu you can toggle through. So it's my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, and settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you have a little bin to put things in, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time, and you have a touch screen so you can go into your audio. Let's just turn that right down and go into your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have navigation, and this is where you're going to see your backup camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse. In your settings, you can slide through for different options like Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, so if you have an Apple phone, you can plug it in with your Apple cord. You'll see the same screen as you do on your phone. Volume and tuner, and there's your CD player. And down below you have dual climate control for driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. There's your fan, AC, max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4, Pro Trailer backup, and there's a little bin there. In the center, another little bin that you can close up, but it's also got the USB outlet. So you just press in the center here and it'll slide right closed. You have an automatic select shifter and drive mode. So when you press this on your dash, you'll see normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and then back around again. There's a couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up. And there's a bin inside. You can just take that out if you want, move it around. You have a 12 volt, lots of storage in there. Off to the side is a 12 volt and a 110 outlet. And you also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and the nice thing is you've got a sliding power window in the back, and that's the button that controls it. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when your key's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have your backup camera on just below that handle, and backup sensors on your bumper. There's a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. This vehicle is a flex fuel, meaning it uses gas or ethanol. And when you want to open up the tailgate, just push the button. Inside it's nicely lined. There's tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And on your fob you have remote start. So when your vehicle is locked up, you simply double click the fob and it'll start up the vehicle. You jump in, push the engine start stop button, and away you go. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and you're seeing that nice wood grain inlay. In the back you have seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. So you easily lift the seat with one hand and it's in the upright position. And then to bring it down, simply pull the clip. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And on the floor you're seeing both the carpeted and all-weather mat. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets, as well as air vents. In the body there's grab handles up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back access to a power sliding window. Front bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, power folding side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.